Hello. The Yoink app has a new feature. It's useful for example, Nomad Sculpt, Procreate, or I use Yoink as a clipboard manager. But the new feature is to use the picture-in-picture feature of iOS 15 to use this for photos and so on. The app I'm talking about is this Yoink app on iOS, and in the where's the version in version 2.4 plays videos in picture-in-picture, also text, pictures, and PDFs. And okay, it looks like this. For example, I'm searching for a reference picture, and I pick on this and copy it. And in the slide over, there's a function, the Yoink app, and you can add here the pictures. And now you can go here and use picture-in-picture. It should work. Picture-in-picture. And yes, and then you can scroll through your pictures, and when you use Procreate or something, the picture stays in place, and you can shrink it or bring it in the corners, and you can swipe it outside. And it works also when you use Nomad Sculpt. Then you can look at your reference and swipe it out, and you can like this. I think it's really useful, and you can use it as a clipboard manager. Copy, paste, and store all your things in it. Okay, that's it. Have fun. Ciao.